This morning, families across our area continue to recover from the deadly May 16th tornado. And beyond the damage to their homes, there are some serious concerns about the health of people.
That's right. Let's get on over to our Travis Cummings, who's joining us live in North City this morning to tell us about the growing health challenges that folks out there are facing. Good morning, Travis.
Good morning, Sydney and Rennie. That's right. We're in the Greaterville neighborhood this morning where these homes took the hit. Take a look on what's outside here, but you really got to understand what's inside. They can be toxic to your body, and it's not a bad idea to wear a mask when you're out and about helping clean up on the inside. People say there is black mold in their homes. Volunteers have handed out bleach to help with that. Injuries and respiratory problems are also concerns, along with challenges accessing necessary medical care. That's been something we've been talking to folks about. The city is partnering with Dr. Alexander Garza right now, who actually led the pandemic response to help connect vulnerable residents to the support they need.
If you're talking about people with diabetes, heart condition, asthma, emphysema, things like that, where they can get their medications refilled, where they can be seen by a primary care provider, things like that, so that their condition isn't exacerbated. So those are some of the primary concerns.
Now, getting you back out live here, you see tarp on roofs there, and that can also be problematic and create issues with moisture. Dr. Garza says rising heat and a lack of shelter can also exacerbate existing health conditions. They can make it even worse. And at 6, we're going to break down some of the funding that we're starting to see from local and state leaders that's getting us through as that federal aid continues to loom. Live in North City, Travis Cummings, 5 on your side.